Shelly's Homemade, and today, guys, we're going to be making some sweet and spicy chicken thighs. Now, I thought to myself, I have that sweet and spicy sauce that you use on duck sauce. You know the kind. You guys know the kind. That sweet chili sauce right here, used for dipping duck sauce when you're making like when you're eating egg rolls or some sort of stuff. You're gonna use it. So why not use this? Make a sauce with this, and make me some sweet and spicy chicken thighs that we're gonna do in the oven, guys. So this is my sweet and my spicy. We're gonna add some soy sauce to this and some garlic, and add it to this and see what happens. Maybe a little sriracha. I'm not sure. We're gonna figure it out as we go. But I do know how we're gonna season this chicken up. We're gonna use some salt, some pepper, some garlic, some seasonal, and some onion powder. What? Yes. Let's get started. So first thing, we're gonna do what I like to do. I like to season the bottom of my pan to ensure that the bottom of my chicken is getting nice and seasoned. This is a pro tip from the Shelster. Alright, we're going to get that onion powder. That was salt. Pink Himalayan salt. We just got down in there. What that was. Alright, so now we're going to add some seasoning. Right down in there. Just like so. Season the bottom of your pan, guys. Don't be scared to get that seasoning in there. You might be like, well, you're wasting the seasoning. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, ma'am. No, I'm not. No, sir. This is a tip from me, and I like to do this to ensure that the bottom of whatever I'm cooking gets seasoned correctly. All right. So I have washed my chicken, rinsed it thoroughly, cut off all of that dead skin and the bruised skin. I took the fat out, all that nasty film, all that stuff, and then get that in there just like that. Now the bottom of your chicken that's down there, nice and seasoned. Look at that. Waste not nothing. What am I wasting? Absolutely nothing. I'm gonna get this in here and just switch it around in that seasoning. Switching it around in that seasoning. Moving it around. That way you ensure that you picked up that seasoning off the bottom of the pan and onto the chicken. Just like that. Now I'm going to take that hand that I did not test the chicken with, and I'm just going to season the top. Just like so. Or, you know what? I could just take my glove off. Just like so. And get that garlic down on that chicken. Be generous with it. Be generous. Now you could use some fresh garlic if you want to. But I don't want to, because I ain't going to do it. I'm going to take this glove off. Take these gloves off. Boom. I'm going to come in here with black pepper. Bless me, Lord. Jeez, I'm so sorry I turned away from the chicken. If you were wondering, I did not sneeze on my chicken. Bless me. Whew. That pepper make you sneeze. Yes, honey. Get that pepper all over that chicken. And then with the seasoning, generously season that chicken. Going in with that onion powder. Now, let me know in the comment section, guys, when y'all go to Sam's Club, whoever has the Sam's Club card, Costco's or whatever, and you go in, you can always find granulated garlic, but it's so hard to find granulated onion. I have to go to like 4 different Sam's Clubs to find granulated garlic. Now, Sam's Club people, if you're listening, put some more onion powder in the onion granulated. You got onion powder. We don't want I don't me personally, do not want the onion powder. I want the granulated onion because, yeah. Now I'm going in with some pink Italian salt. Now I am light on the salt. Now we just doing a couple pinches of the salt. Now I want to be careful with salt because remember that seasoning oil does have quite amount of salt in it. Alright. So now that this is nice and seasoned, we're going to get this into a 400-degree oven. Yes, a 400-degree oven. You're like probably saying, Shelly, 350, 370. No. 400-degree oven is what we're using, and that's what we're doing. We're going to get this in that oven, all cranked up, ready to go in this oven, guys. Alright, we'll get it in the oven. And we're going to let it in there until it gets nice and crispy. But when we come back, we're going to start on that sauce. Alright, so now it's time to make the sauce. I have a bowl here. Let's see. That is, let's get our sweet chili sauce in there. I'm going to use about a cup of this. Yep, just like that. Get in here with soy sauce. Just trying to get the bottle open. Alright. About a fourth of a cup of this. Now I'm making this up as I go. Yeah. Some garlic powder. Now you can use fresh garlic if you want to, but I'm using garlic powder. And here, mix this together. We'll mix it together now with a little spatula. I went a little overboard with soy sauce. Go back in. Sweet chili sauce. Okay, it's coming together. Not even spicy at all. A little sriracha, not much, just a tad. Try to bring these flavors together. Okay. It's giving me something. Need to balance out that soy sauce. So we're gonna add the rest. Sweet chili sauce. There it is. So you're gonna need a fourth of a cup. You need a 12-ounce bottle of the sweet chili sauce and some garlic. That's it. That's all. It tastes good. Now let's find out how it tastes on the chicken. So I'm back. When I come back, we're gonna paint our chicken some of this. Alright guys, so we're back. And I got it right out of the oven. Don't they look delicious? And it's gone. I'm just gonna get it all on here. You guys, I made a recipe on the spot with you guys. On the spot. I actually like creating new recipes. That's just something that I just love doing. It's a me thing. I mean, I got some family recipes that's been passed down. I got my own, and I actually like to create on the whim. I don't know, something about it. You know, I like to be challenged with a recipe. My kids used to do it to me all the time. They used to come Christmas time when it's cookie day, or a few days before cookie day, so that I could get all the ingredients together for cookie day, because we would bake these baskets for their grandmothers, and give them these amazing baskets, homemade baskets from the kids as Christmas presents. The grandparents just loved them, so you'd be all kinds of freshly baked cookies and baked goods, you know, banana nut bread, different type of cookies, whichever cookies they had picked to make. Some sort of homemade candy, may have been almond joy or whatever we stuck in that box. Could have been some cranberry muffins or blueberry muffins or whatever. I remember one year we made fudge, almond joys. The list just goes on and on. And we did this for years until they got grown, and then we didn't do it anymore. Alright, so these are all, and they actually look good. I'll probably be putting them back in the oven, but I'm only going to put them in the oven for a few more minutes, maybe like 10 minutes. And then we'll just have some extra sauce if anybody want any. But that actually look amazing just like that. Right, so I'm going to get these in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes, and I'll be right back. So, it's been like 7 minutes, and look, it has set, looks amazing. Doesn't it look amazing? Oh my goodness. Can't do nothing but give it a try. See what's going on with this chicken. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this one. Look at that. So if you got some chili sauce, because you know you won't be using it like that just to dip some stuff, make this recipe. I'm telling you. Make this recipe. Look how tender it is. It's just coming apart. Hot. That is really good though. I'm gonna be honest. It's not spicy. Not at all. It's sweet and savory. And tender. It's really good. It's not spicy. Not at all. I like it. I really did. It's not because, I made it, but I actually liked it. I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel about the sweet chili sauce, but it's actually good. Alright guys, you know what time it is. Like, share, and subscribe. And as always, y'all guys have a wonderful day. And I'm going to see you in the next video.